kitties. It's 27 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit right now in Minnesota on January 30th, 2019, one of the coldest days of my life. It's 33 degrees below 0 Celsius if you're playing along globally. So we thought we'd try a little experiment. You've probably seen it before, but kind of cool. You don't get a lot of chance to do this. So here goes. Let's see, I'm going to back up so you really get the effect. This works. I'm going to walk right into the planter, knock it over. All right, here goes nothing. Woo! That's what happens when it's really, really cold. Don't try this home unless you're really stupid like I am, and it's at least 27 below 0. All right, good night.